Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 6 and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn under the pronunciation skills about syllables, and we will cover up page number 45. So my dear students and my dear teachers, as we know that before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about syllables. Okay, question number 4, page number 18. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to know more about syllables, how we can get our word into different parts. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: use a dictionary to find out how words are divided into syllables. Find out how many syllables are a word has. So today we will cover up these SLOs. So my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Fatiha, verse number 1, in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Subhanallah. My dear students and my dear fellow teachers, this beautiful verse, already that it's the starting chapter of the Holy Quran, and this is beautiful verse is telling us that about the attributes of Almighty Allah, that how He is. He is entirely merciful. He is especially merciful. Especially mean He is one and only that He can show mercy on His beloved with persons and followers. So can you judge one thing, my dear students? Entirely merciful. So in this way we can read and we can get that how we can segregate and divide words into different units. So today we are going to get about that. So are you ready? There is a brainstorming activity for you. So be ready and be active. Yes, there is an image. Look. So say that word. What is this? Do you know it? Yes, excellent job. Next one is also there. Wow, so delicious. What is this? Do you know it? Wow, and also you have eaten it. So let's see how we can say these words. Okay, so now we are going to get. Okay, what is a syllable? A syllable is a word or a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. So my dear teachers and my dear students, first of all, keep remember that what are syllables? A syllable is a word or a part of a word that contains single vowel sounds. Keep remember that, not vowels. If there is 2 vowels, 3 vowels, so then we will get according to the vowels. No, we have to judge that single vowel sound. We will focus, our focus will be when we are getting syllables. So our focus will be on the sound. So see there, like book. So do you judge that? Read that word. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, book. So do you see that how many vowels are there? Even we have 2 vowels together. But there is one single sound, book. So how many syllables that it has? Definitely one syllable. In this way, see next, read that word, napkin, napkin. So how do you get that? Read the word and you will feel by self, my dear students. Napkin. Okay, how many syllables, how many units we have? 2 units. There is also a vowels and there is also a vowel, but these 2 vowels are also giving us 2 different sounds. That's why we have divided this word into 2 syllables. So have you got? Good. See next. What are syllables according to your book now? Every syllable must have a vowel. So keep remember, every syllable must have a vowel. We can determine how many syllables a word has based on how many vowels are in that word. Usually syllable we can divide that, we can judge that in a word how many vowels are there, so we can divide. But already I have discussed that, my dear students, we can get syllables according to the based on their vowel sounds, not the presence of vowel. Okay, as we have already shown a picture also, like book, there were two vowels in book, but there is a single sound because two vowels together giving us single sound. So have you got? Next, the number of vowel sounds in a word equals the number of syllables. Okay, this is the actual information, my dear students. The number of vowel sounds doesn't matter the number of vowels. Actual thing is the number of vowel sounds. How many sounds we are getting by vowels. Definitely we will divide, segregate that vowel into according to these syllables. Okay, so next, see there, so you can see and you can perform also. I am also going to perform something. There is a word like snap. You can also be quick, be ready and snap, 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 snap. So do you get that? Next is also word basket, basket, basket. Got it? Basket. Two syllables. Okay, so how I have got that two syllables, you can see that. Let's see, basket, two syllables we can find because two vowels are there and both two vowels are giving us two sounds. Is it clear? And there, snap, one sound is there. So have you got, my dear students, and are you enjoying? Good. So let's see next. See there, I have given, do you know that picture? Yes, potato, potato, potato. So how many syllables? Three syllables are there. So read that. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, read. Now you should read. Yes, calculator, calculator. So how many breaks we can get? Yes, four syllables and four breaks we can get while reading that. These syllables are called, when, my dear students, when we have one syllable, just one sound, so these are called one syllable. Okay, and when we have up to two or three, like four, so these such type of words are called multi-syllable words. Okay, so keep remember this thing. So there is, now we are moving towards an activity. Let's check how much knowledge now you have got about that, how you will find a syllable. Find syllables of a word in a dictionary. So my dear teachers, you will provide students to a dictionary and you will get students into groups. Then you will act this. Teacher will divide the class in groups. Teacher will assign alphabets A to Z to each group. Now teacher will tell each group to find 5 3-syllables and 5 4-syllable words from dictionary. So yes, my dear teachers, what you have to do, you have to get students into groups and you will provide them a dictionary and you will get them, give them, what you will give, letters A to Z and 5 words they have to find out. Okay, so I am waiting for you. Enjoy this activity in your class. Pause the video, enjoy this activity in your class and then come back. Oh, welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed and you have done it in a nice way, and now you have got that how we can segregate a word into different units according to the vowel sound. Excellent job. So now what we are going to do, now we are going to perform an individual activity. There is book, page number 46. Question number 3 is there. So what you have to do, you have to do syllable division and syllable numbers. That you have to do, and you have to get it into different syllables. Okay, perform this activity in your class under your teacher supervision. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done with it and nicely. What's your homework for today? Write 10 words with the syllable division from the lesson unit 6. So already our which chapter is going on? Unit 6 is going on. So that chapter you will get 10 words you will find and you will syllabify them. Okay, this is your homework. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You may click it and download it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they can get about syllables. Okay, so what we have covered today, We learned to find out how many syllables does a word has. We learned to use a dictionary to find out how words are divided into syllables. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, my dear students. Use a dictionary to find out how words are divided into syllables. Find out how many syllables a word has. Yes, wow, great job. And we have done with it. So now you are able to find words and its syllables according to vowel sounds. So you are good students. So see you tomorrow inshallah with a new lecture. We will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.